Good morning, everybody. Let us continue our topic problems based on linear equations. Today's problem is also taken from your exercise. Now, this problem is regarding fraction. Let us start. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. Means the value of the fraction becomes 1. It becomes 1 upon 2 if we add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So let us start. First we have to assume, let the fraction be x upon y. X is numerator, y is denominator. Now the equations will be, now what is the condition number 1? If 1 is added to the numerator, so x is the numerator, add 1, x plus 1 upon 1 is subtracted from the denominator, so y minus 1. Its value becomes 1. See whether you understood. 1 is added to the numerator and 1 is subtracted from the denominator. So x plus 1 upon y minus 1 is equal to 1. Simplify, multiplying both the side by y minus 1. So y minus 1 get multiplied here, y minus 1. Now taking plus 1 to that side, this plus 1 becomes minus 1. Minus 1 and minus 1, minus 2. So what is the x value? Y minus 2. We are going to use substitution method. Now let us get the equation 2. Let us read the condition. Second condition is, it becomes 1 upon 2, means the value of the fraction becomes 1 upon 2. If we add 1 to the denominator, so now numerator we are not changing. So fraction, original fraction is x upon y. Now add 1 to the denominator. So it will be y plus 1. X will be as it is. Y plus 1 is equal to, what will be the new fraction? 1 upon 2. Again simplify. So here cross multiplying. 2 will get multiplied with x, 2x, and 1 will be multiplied with y plus 1. Now we can substitute the value of x here. Right, here x we have to remove. We are following substitution method, that is easier one. So substituting x is equal to y minus 2 in equation 2. So remove x by y minus 2. That is the value of x. So twice or 2 into bracket y minus 2 is equal to y plus 1. Simplify. It implies that 2 into y, 2y, 2 into minus 2, minus 4. So we open the bracket. Now minus 4 is taken to the right hand side, right, and y is taken to the left hand side. So y becomes plus y becomes minus y, and minus 4 becomes plus 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 2y minus 1y, this is 1y, 1 we don't write. So 2y minus 1y is y. So here you get the value of y. Now we have to obtain the value of x. Now y value will be substituting. We will substitute in first equation. Let us take the equation 1. So substituting y is equal to 5 in equation 1. Take the equation x is equal to y minus 1. Y minus 2 is the equation 1. Substitute the value of y, that is 5. 5 minus 2, x is equal to 3. So hence the fraction is this answer. Fraction is 3 upon 5. Let us check it out. Now what is the first condition? We are adding 1 to the denominator. So 3 plus 1, 4. And we are subtracting 1 from the denominator. Well, 1 minute. Let me tell you again. 1 is added to the numerator. So 3 plus 1, 4. And 1 is subtracted from denominator. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So 4 upon 4, it's 1. So this is the first condition is satisfied. Now we are adding 1 to the denominator. So 5 plus 1, our fraction is 5. Denominator is 5. 5 plus 1. So it becomes 6. 3 upon 6 is 1 upon 2. So our condition number 2 is satisfied. Now let us take the second example. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? So this is the question regarding the ages. So how old are Noori and Sonu? So that means we have to assume this. You have to start with the question. What is the question? How old are? So let Noori's present age be X years and that of Sonu's be Y years. These are the present ages. Now the equations will be, now what is the first condition? 5 years ago means before 5 years. So 5 years ago means today she is X. Suppose now she is 20. So 5 years ago she must be 15. So we are subtracting 5. So Noori will be X minus 5 and Sonu will be Y minus 5. Okay, so X minus 5 is equal to that this age, Noori's age 5 years ago was 3 times Sonu's age. So 3 into Y minus 5. So X minus 5 is equal to, open the bracket, 3 into Y, 3Y, 3 into minus 5 minus 15. Arrange the terms. 3y taken to the left hand side, that becomes minus 3y. Minus 5 taken to the right hand side of the equation, that becomes plus 5. Minus 15 is already there. So minus 15 plus 5 minus 10. So this is your equation 1. What is the equation 1? X minus 3y is equal to minus 10. Now read out the second condition. 10 years later, after 10 years, 10 years hence. So 10 years hence, Noori will be X plus 10 and Sonu will be Y plus 10. Okay, so this is that X plus 10 and Y plus 10. So we are taking the 10 years later their ages. And what is the condition? Noori will be twice. So 10 years later, Noori will be X plus 10 and this will be equal to twice of Sonu's age at that time, that is Y plus 10. Simplify the bracket again, open the bracket, 2y plus 20, 2y taken to the left hand side, 20 minus 10, 10 to the right hand side, and we get the second equation, that is x minus 2y is equal to 10. I have written the equation 1 and 2 again. We are using the elimination method. Here x is already equated, so we can use elimination method. Okay, you can choose any method whichever you like, whichever you feel easy. So subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So when we are subtracting, we have to change the sign. So x get cancelled. Minus 3y plus 2y now. This minus 2y changes to plus 2y. Minus 3y plus 2y is minus y. Minus 10 and minus 10. This is minus 10 will get added. So minus 10 adding minus 10. So it will become minus 20. Minus minus get cancelled. Hence y is equal to 20. So this is the age of Sonu. Substituting y is equal to 20 in equation 1. Let us take the equation 1. X minus 3y is equal to minus 10. So y value is 20. Minus 3 into 20 minus 60. So minus 60 goes to the right hand side. That becomes plus 60. So minus 10 plus 60. It becomes 50. Hence Noori is 50 years old. How old are they? So that is the answer. Noori is 50 years and Sonu is 20 years. Check it out. What was the Noori's age 5 years ago? 50 minus 5, 45. And it should be equal to 3 times Sonu's age at that time. Sonu is today 20. So 20 minus 5, 15. 15 into 3, 45. So first condition is satisfied. Second condition, 10 years later, Nuri will be 60, 50 plus 10, and Sonu will be 20 plus 10 and twice. See, 20 plus 10 is 30, 30 twice of 30 is 60. So our equation conditions are satisfied. This is the way how you can check your answer and you can confirm. Okay, dear. So these two examples are also from the textbook only. So we are solving now. Write down and practice also. Thank you.